Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to change a battery in a Timex Ironman woman's watch, of course, but it should be the same for all of these type of watches. So let's see if I have the right size Phillips screwdriver for this. Might be a little bit too big, but we'll see how it works. Yep, looks like that will work just fine. So remove these 4 screws on the case back. Hopefully I won't lose them. This is a odd size battery, at least not one that I'm familiar with, but according to the case back here, it takes the CR1620 battery. So I ordered them from Amazon. I think I bought 5 of them for like $5 or somewhere around there, so about $1 a piece. I only really need one battery, but I can buy one battery for $4 or I can buy 5 for $5. So I just bought 5. Alright, I don't know if I need, hopefully I don't need to remove the straps. Maybe I will have to. Let's remove one of the straps, I guess. Fork is kind of broken. There we go. This just peels up or what? I think this just peels off. Or maybe not. I'm going to pause the video and take a look at this with my magnifying glasses and see what I'm supposed to do here. Alright, so I've been playing around with this a little bit, trying to pry up this piece of metal on both sides. It's not really working, so kind of what I figured out is I'm going to stick the screwdriver down in between the battery and this lip right here and then just kind of pry it out. See if I can zoom in and try and do this on camera here. I don't know if this is the correct way to do this or not. Hopefully I don't break the watch. If you know the correct way to do this, feel free to put it in the comments. So let's get the battery out of here. Hopefully I can just wedge it back in through here. Okay, so it looks like that will work. Put this back over the battery. And I don't think it matters which way this goes in here. Probably should have paid a little more attention to if it goes in that way or this way, but whatever. We'll just put it in there. There we go. And I can screw these back in. Help if I use the proper tool, the Phillips instead of the slotted or flathead screwdriver. The battery didn't last all that long on this. I think my wife has had this for maybe 2 years, not even that long, and it's not like she's using the backlight or any of the, I don't know if using the functions really matters that much if you were to use the chronograph or whatever, but using the backlight would definitely drain the battery faster. So I think that's all that I really need to show on camera. I'll put the rest of the screws in and put the strap on, and then we'll go through all the settings and put it on the proper time. I've never used this watch. So it has alarms. Somebody has a backlight. Yeah, right here. In the glow up at the top. Or maybe it doesn't. I don't know. But anyway, I got the battery changed, so there we go. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. And catch you guys on the next video.